If you've ever had a patch of grass, you'll know that trimming is a vital part of keeping it looking the part. For me, it's all about comfort. Having a tool that does the job without me having to break a sweat or my back. Nowadays, there's some seriously efficient trimmers out there. My favorite, of course, is anything battery operated. And if the battery is interchangeable between tools, so much better. What you're looking for here is a trimmer that keeps you calm and comfortable. Firstly, battery-operated trimmers are so quiet that neither you, your pets, or the neighbors need ear protection or complaints. Then an adjustable loop handle that's easy to grip combined with a length adjustable shaft. This means that the trimmer can be just right for your optimal way of working and your height, of course, from crop circles to precision edge trimming. Remember guys, that trimmers are not only relevant for edges, they can also be used as an alternative to a lawnmower. They can trim small areas, get your lawn neat and tidy, especially if you're in a townhouse or anything of that size. They can also be used to cut and trim large ornamental grasses and even huge sections of wild untamed felt. So folks, once you've been working in your garden in kind of the wild area, so that area where you might have some weeds, as you saw earlier, you do not, and I repeat, do not want to take an unclean trimmer into your pristine lawn area, because that is the first way that you encourage and invite all those unwanted weeds into your lawn. So it is always important, and use this as a general rule, folks, to clean off your equipment once you've finished with it. Not only does it stop the weeds from ending up in your garden, but what it also does is make sure that the longevity of your product is going to last that much longer. So make sure that you get rid of all of these. Look at this here. This is just mats and mats and mats of seed and grass cuttings. So make sure you get rid of those. Really important. Always make sure that the battery is out so that there's no chance of any dangers. Give it a good clean, and then not only are you going to make sure that this guy is going to last you forever, as it should, because an investment in something like this is going to last you a long, long time.